Friends of the channel, crypto investors alike, we've got a huge partnership we're going to be discussing today. It's none other than Cardano and Polkadot. But if we know whether these two cryptocurrencies are going to make moves during the next run, we want to firstly know, are the builders still building? Are the developers still developing? Stay tuned to find out. And this is where we got a hint of the news. Cardano creator Charles Hoskinson recently announced a new architecture that would offer builders new ways to use Cardano's basic feature and new Cardano technology to build their own optimized partner chains at the recent Cardano Summit in 2023. So there was the hint, and this was the announcement from Polkadot that announced live in a tweet that Cardano will leverage Substrate, the Polkadot's SDK's base, to build out its partner chain project. This utility, it says, will demonstrate Substrate's ability to expand across Web3, as well as its ease of use for other chains and ecosystems. And here's the tweet here, guys, from Polkadot. Cardano is going to use Substrate, the foundation of the Polkadot's SDK. It says that it's going to build out its partner chain, and the partnership begins. But we will, of course, start with price action. What story the chart's telling us today? How do people feel today? Let's have a look. And we've got Polkadot here starting on the daily. So each one of these candles represents one full day of price action. And from bottom to top, from its previous low over the last couple of weeks, Polkadot has done 42.89%, so not too shabby there, with nearly a 50% increase in market. The main things that I want to see from this chart, or the main things that I have seen from this chart, is we've taken out this previous high, because we're looking for trend reversals, guys, and the only way we can reverse trend is by taking out the previous highs. We've taken out this previous high, and what I'm looking for is this structure here. This structure here is going to be an important level for Polkadot to break, and that level is sitting between $4.98 and $5.10. That's a strong psychological level, $5, guys. It's a round number, and it's something that's going to have a lot of sell orders placed there, and it's going to stick. So if we manage to break above this, that's going to show strength for Polkadot in the short term. That's the area, the key area that we need to beat is this high here. Let's have a look at Cardano. Similar to Cardano, absolutely rocketed over the last few weeks, and Cardano's done from bottom to top of this swing move 56%, so more than a 50% increase for Cardano. Now let's have a look. Cardano, we've took out a couple of highs here, but we haven't taken out the main high. We've took out these highs here. That's good. That's showing strength for Cardano. However, the main level is here, guys. This main level is here. We're creating a double top at the moment, and we haven't had a rejection candle from that yet, but that's what I'm looking for. And when you're looking at double tops, and when you haven't broken an overall macro trend, then you're looking to get in on retracements if you think price action is going to go up. So we've gone from fib retracements from the upside to the downside. Now we can see some kind of a signal that the trend might be reversing. So we can put a Fibonacci from the downside to the upside and see what levels might stick. And the two key levels that we need to hold is usually these levels here. It's the 618 to the 786, which is called the golden zone. So if we hold the golden zone and price retraces back to the golden zone, what does that mean? It means you get a better chance at price action, because you get Cardano at around 28 cents, between 26 and 28 cents, rather than 35 cents to 38 cents. So that's the power of appropriate risk management, guys. And that's the power of patience a lot of the time, because these can be overheated for days and days, sometimes weeks and weeks. But you don't want to be buying into the build-up. You want to be buying into the retracement. And none of this is financial advice, but you just look at the maths, guys. You get a better price on retracements. But the underlying pin to the key to success of any cryptocurrency is the development activity that's happening on the network. And if any of you guys do find this useful and you're still watching it, which I'm assuming you are, please consider subscribing to the channel. Right, Cardano maintains the lead in cryptocurrency development activity, outperforming Polkadot and Ethereum. So this is one little key thing to take note of. Here it is. Here is the list of development activity within the last 30 days. And you can see Cardano topping it at number 1, with Polkadot topping it at number 2. What this partnership is going to do to the crypto space is going to be huge. And if you want to know a little bit more about Polkadot, we had a few concerns from one of our members within the free Telegram group. So Greek was requesting why Polkadot hasn't run in comparison to the rest of the altcoins during this run. So check out this video and I explain what I think about that.